Unlock the power of teamwork in Aisensy by easily granting access to your account and transforming how your team manages customer communication. First, navigate to the Settings section within your Aisensy account, usually found in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Look for a tab labeled something like Team or Users. Once you're there, locate the Add User or Invite Member button. Click on it to begin the process of inviting a new team member. A form will appear, prompting you to enter the new user's details. Fill in their name and email address accurately. This ensures they receive the invitation correctly. Now, the crucial step: assigning roles and permissions. Select the appropriate role for the user from the drop-down menu. Consider carefully what level of access they need. For example, an admin has full control, while an agent might only handle customer conversations. Depending on the role, you might have granular control over specific permissions. Review the list of available permissions and check the boxes next to the features you want the user to access. Before sending the invitation, double-check all the details you've entered. Ensure the email address is correct and the role is appropriate. This prevents confusion and security issues later on. The invited user will receive an email with a link to accept the invitation and set up their password. Once they complete this process, they'll be able to access the Aisensy platform with their assigned role and permissions. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can empower your team to collaborate effectively on Aisensy, boost productivity, and deliver exceptional customer support.